What's happening? Biker Dave here with another little tip for you. If you have problems with the inside of your rim getting filthy, even rusty, let me show you a few little easy products that will minimize that. I mean, sure, it's a dirt bike. Some dirt may get in there, but if you want to keep it to a minimum, here's a couple little things. This little guy right here, this is a rubber little seal that you can screw, you basically put it around your valve stem right here, and then you put your little nut and washer over it. That'll hold in place and it minimizes any mud getting down in there, versus the usual method, which is just a nut and washer. Some people don't even have that, and it just gets filthy inside your rim because of that. So that's one. Very simple. And another on the rim lock. The rim lock, there's also one that you can buy. This little, see, it's curved. It's curved to go across the top of the rim right there. And then you can tighten that down with your nut and washer. Two very simple ways just to keep nasty gook from getting inside your rim and tire. It'll also shorten the life of your inner tube. It can cause a flat. And it just gets filthy inside there. Makes it real difficult to do, if you need to true your spokes, even rebuild your wheel, doing tire changes and that sort of thing. It's really difficult if it's filthy inside there. And this rim, has a good bit of time on it, as you can see, the scrapes and scratches, but inside is very clean. Two simple little tips for you right there. That's it. Check out our other videos. We've got all kinds of cool stuff that may help you when working on your dirt bike. And this is a YZ250, which we have tons of videos on working on this bad boy. So scroll through our channel and just type in YZ250 on in the search field, and you'll find just tons of stuff on working on this bike and riding it and all kinds of stuff. That's it. Google Horsepower House. We're on eBay and Amazon and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Got 2 channels on YouTube. Look up Horsepower House 2.0. All kinds of cool stuff there. And we're always adding something else. So y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.